friends, I am back and I am going to show you how I make a garlic and parsley flavored butter. And I'm going to make this for my pasta that I'm going to be making this evening for dinner. But this, you can call it a compound butter, you can call them flavored butters, you can call them finishing butters. These are excellent with steaks. By the way, they're wonderful. Okay, so I do have 2 sticks of butter here, 1 cup of butter. And I've got 4 cloves of garlic that I'm going to put in here. And I got it chopped up really fine. And you can use fresh parsley, but I'm using dried. And if you use dried, it's just a couple tablespoons. A nice soft butter, unsalted butter, which, speaking of, you're going to want to put just a pinch of salt in it. If I can get it out. Just a pinch of salt. And that's it. So we're just going to mix this all up really good. You want your butter nice and soft, but not melted. Now you can, when we get this all mixed up, I put mine in a little roll. I roll mine up in a little not wax paper, but parchment paper. And you can certainly put yours in a little container, or even plastic wrap is fine too. But you want it all mixed up really good. You get a good hold of that. See how nice that looks? And this stuff is fantastic on pasta and steaks and, you know, garlic bread. Oh, it's wonderful to make garlic bread with it too. Okay, so there, we got it all mixed up real good. Now I got my little piece of parchment paper here. And we are just going to blop this on there. Like so. Make sure we get it all. We don't want to waste any. Okay, so we're going to roll this over and just kind of bring it in, shape it a little bit. Roll it over again, and again, and again. You're going to twist to one side, twist it nice, and this side you're going to push towards it a little bit. You're going to pinch it like so before you twist it, and you're going to twist that side. And you got your little butter log. So, that's it. That's how it looks. I'm going to put it in the fridge. I just keep it stored in the fridge, and when it hardens up, you can just take it out of there, unroll it, slice what you want off in it, and roll it back up and store it in the fridge that way. And it stays for quite a while. And it's wonderful. You can use it in all kinds of stuff. But the 2 things that I use it on is ribeye steaks, which is excellent for a finishing butter on steak. And I use it in my pasta dishes. So, there you have it. It's that simple. Thanks for watching.